everybody, welcome to week 2. This is our week 2 video to discuss the expectations for this week. Before I get into this week, let me talk about our first week. There are several of you who are still signed up for the course but have yet to complete the first week writing prompt that was due last Wednesday. I suggest that you go back and do it. Second, I want to talk about the forums, the discussion forums. Given that this is an online course, those forums constitute a rather significant portion of your final grade, and it is important that you participate, and you participate early and often. I received a few emails late last night. It is now Monday morning. The forum closed late last night on Sunday. And I received emails late at night asking questions about it, and it's a little bit late to be asking me questions the night that something is due, especially when it's about 9:30 at night or even later for a couple of emails that I got. It's important that you get involved early so any problems that come up you can address before your assignments are turned in late. And for forums and other things, if questions come up, you're not exactly sure what you should be doing, it's best that you actually try and do something, try and figure out what you're supposed to do as opposed to just give up and not do it. It is still late if you don't do it just because you're a little bit confused. So participate early, often, so questions that come up can be addressed before the assignment is late, and that way we can all keep on schedule as the semester goes on. It's a short semester, as we all know, and we've got to keep on top of the work. Okay, so for this week, our assignments are the following. This is all up on Moodle. After the video is done and put up there, all these things that I'm going to go over will be there as well. Your reading for this week is to read the of Prothero's book as well as chapter 5. It's a few more pages than last week, so you're going to
need to get going on it quickly. Just like last week and the next few weeks after this, there's a discussion forum. I will be posting the initial prompt shortly for all of you to begin responding to. I encourage you each week to review the syllabus and review the requirements for the discussion forum so you don't forget what it is that you should be doing. I will be grading the discussion forum or giving you an updated grade at the end of this week so you know what your grade is for the forum, and you can adjust your performance for the next few weeks accordingly if you want to raise your grade. The first response paper is due by Monday, May 18th. That is a week from today as I'm doing this video, and that means that it is actually due Sunday by the end of the day, so by the beginning of Monday that needs to be in. The response paper project description is available on Moodle. There's a link to it under this week, and there's a link to it at the top of the Moodle page. So I encourage you to go read that, get an idea of what you should be doing, and email me with any questions. You will be uploading that paper to Moodle under the assignment, and under the project description. It's actually an assignment. There should be a little button at the bottom of that page when you read the project description, or strike that. Under week 2 there is a link that says response paper draft due by May 18th. You click on that link and there should be a button at the bottom of that page that will allow you to upload a file. You can upload Word documents, or even better, an RTF file, which is a rich text file. Any word processing program can open up RTF files, so you can either do Microsoft Word documents or RTF files, so I can open them. You will also, to prepare for writing and to get an idea of what my expectations are going to be for your paper, you can take a look at the reader response rubric, which I've posted under week 3 actually. And this will give you some terminology as well as some understanding of what I will be looking for when I grade and what you will be looking for when you respond to each other's papers during week 3. I will be allowing
revisions of each paper, so I will be explaining that actually next week as part of our reader response assignment. Let's see, what else? I think that covers it for this week. I just want to say one more time that you need to stay on top of the work. It's easy to fall behind, but very, very difficult to catch up in such a short semester. I urge you to email me with any questions. If any of you would like to meet with me, I am on campus a couple times a week, and I can usually
arrange for specific times if it's best for you. And I will be sending out later this week a list of your reader response groups for next week, so be on the lookout for emails from me, and I will be sending out emails with updates as well. I hope things are going well, and I hope that you're enjoying the class so far, and we will be back in touch soon.